Hi there, I am Michael and I would like to show you my new dance called Truck Dog Rock, the same named song by the Cardets. The Cardets is a German country band, that's their own song, and if you like this piece of music, please get in contact with the Cardets. You will find the information on the step sheet as well. It's a 32 count, 2-wall line dance, and there's no tag, no restart, nothing on it. So just for 32 counts, just 2 walls. Let's have fun. Let's start with the steps. Your weight is on the left foot. We start with the toes, strut, cross, toes, strut, side, drop, cross. Toes, strut, cross, toes, strut, side, drop, cross. Section 2. Rock, pick up, back, pick up, rock, pick up, half turn, crush, step, lock, step, crush, side, behind, side, cross. Section 3. Side, touch, side, together, back, touch, side, together, quarter turn. The last section, section 4. Step, quarter, cross, quarter, side, cross, and for the last counts, just do another quarter turn to the right, lean your body forward and clap in your hands. Then do a half turn to the left, your weight to the left, and clap again. Go forward on the right, clap, turn around, shift your weight on the left, and clap again. That's the whole dance. Let's do the counts. Section 1. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Last section, section 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. This dance fits to many pieces of music, for example, Sweet Sweet Smile by the Cardets. Have fun and see you again. Bye bye.